at the Plant Connector in North Adams, Massachusetts, an extension of my home. I think the space is really about people coming together, finding a shared interest or a shared curiosity. We are very community-based, so we do a lot of community workshops. I do the free cutting exchange, but on Saturdays I do lectures about plants. Let's say you want to learn about carnivorous plants. We'll sit down for an hour and we'll talk carnivorous plants.
Would you want to show me around? I want to learn about your space.
You want to learn about the space? Okay. When someone comes in and they're interested in plants, I usually ask them if you have real bright light or if you have like indirect light.
You have a numbering system that you made?
So like number 1 is like really bright light. Number 2 is kind of a little bit lower light and not a lot of water. And then number 3 is like maybe once a week water and not a lot of light. Hi. This is Bonnie Marks, and she's my business partner. Yes. So Bonnie and I have done this for almost 6 years together. She's retired this year, but she still helps me out a lot. Yeah. The fact that everything in here we have to pay for before we sell it, that is a huge amount of money going into inventory. So if we can save money on our fixed costs, that's huge. Also, we live in a very rural area that doesn't have a lot of towers around, so having the ability to like switch towers, to me it's a lot more accessible. A lot of people say that there's no businesses in this community, but the truth is there's a lot of businesses. Yeah. There's a lot of people like me who are first-time business owners guiding what the future of this community looks like. Calling out a local small business, that means something, you know. It's a new way of thinking about cell phone service. Why are we doing things the way we've been doing them? Because they're not necessarily working for people in rural areas, and that like, why not share the resources that we already have? We're definitely a mill town that's reinventing itself. Once you get here, you do want it to be your home.